Hi! Hi everyone, my name is Tabi Kiko and welcome back to my channel! Today we will be reacting to another Katrina Velarde song. So she covered Never Enough from the movie The Greatest Showman. Before, she already made a cover of This Is Me and we already reacted on that. And a lot of people watched the videos and they dropped a lot of comments about what videos I should react next, and now I found a new video which she uploaded a while ago. The title is Never Enough from the movie again, The Greatest Showman. So without further ado, let's watch the video.
Darling, without you, all the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still too little. This hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough for me. Never, 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 never for me, for me. Never enough.
Wow.
Never enough, never enough for me, for me, for me. All the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still too little. This hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough for me. Never, never, never enough. Never, never, never enough for me, for me. Never enough.
Wow. Wow. That was Katrina Velarde's Never Enough cover from the movie The Greatest Showman. We all know that Katrina sings very well, and whatever genre you give her, I really don't know how to organize my thoughts. Whatever song you give to her, she can sing. Whatever genre you give to her, she can also sing. In short, she is talented and she is great. Katrina Velarde's vocals is not a joke, and she can actually compete all over the world. But here in the Philippines, I think she is so underrated. And even though we cannot see her every weekdays or weekends on TV, but behind the camera, she has a lot of projects and gigs. Anyways, it was a wonderful performance. It is my first time to hear the song Never Enough, and I never watched the movie The Greatest Showman. Maybe one of these days I'm gonna watch the movie. And that's it. And if you have any songs you want, any video you want me to react, just drop a comment down below, and don't forget to press the like button, and please smash the subscribe button. Bye.